and families, how are you all doing? It's your girl Estelle and I hope you're all doing good. So my friends, I'm back this week with a simple recipe to share with you. It's served as a dessert and it's called Déguê, or you can say Déguê or yaourt. It's also called Thiakry, or some people also call it Burkina, which is funny because Burkina is a name of a country. Maybe the best Déguê comes from there. Anyway, there we go guys. So although it's a dessert served at home, it's also a popular street food. When I was growing up as a kid, this is something that we used to buy quite often, and trust me guys, it was yummy. Until these days, I still enjoy my Déguê, especially every Sunday. I do make it for everybody in the house and they loved it. And I'm pretty sure if you watch the video till the end, you will love this recipe and you will want to give it a try. So my friends, without further ado, let me show you how to make it. So to get started, I've got some ready-made millet, which I have bought it from my local African shop, and this is how it looks like. Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like... And next I've got some butter. I'm also going to be using some water, and this is all the ingredients for the first part of the recipe. So guys, it's time to start making our Déguê. So guys, in order to allow the millet to soften, I am going to add some water just above the level of the millet. Then I will give it a mix, followed by covering for at least 30 minutes, and that is to allow my millet to soften. Must never stop the way, okay guys, it's been 30 minutes since my millet is resting, so I am going to give it a nice stirring, followed by adding in the butter. Stir it well, then cover it, and I will be taking it to the microwave and microwave it for 2 minutes. Life is happy, but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah. Okay guys, once the 2 minutes is up, take it out of the microwave, then followed by give it a mix, and at that point your millet should be nice and soft. Set it aside and let it cool completely down. Okay guys, so while our millet is resting, I am going to show you the last ingredients you will need in order to create our millet yogurt. First, you will need a natural yogurt, and I am using a lower fat Greek yogurt, and this is how the jar looks like, and it's available in most supermarkets. And the next ingredients I will be using are 1 cup of semi-skimmed milk, a can of evaporated milk. That is how the can looks like. And the next ingredients, I will be using some brown sugar, but you can use the white sugar if you prefer so. And the last ingredients I'm going to show to you guys today is some vanilla essence, which you can add it to your déguê to give your déguê an extra flavor. Entirely optional. I am not using that today, but that is to show you that you could use the vanilla essence for an extra taste or any type of flavor you wish. Et voila! And that is all the ingredients I will be using for today's recipe. Okay guys, next I am going to show you how to make your yogurt for your millet. First, add in the yogurt followed by the evaporated milk. Mix it well, then add in your semi-skim milk. Give it a good mix. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when. And follow by adding in the brown sugar. Mix it well. Then add in your vanilla essence if you wish. Mix it well. Then cover it. Then store it in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Okay guys, it's been 2 hours since our yogurt is resting in the fridge, so it's time to combine both ingredients and mix it well, then follow by serving it. Et voila, there you have it guys, our millet yogurt is done. Right, first guys, I'm going to show you the first part of how we serve this dessert. The one I'm doing right now is the one you most likely to buy it from the street. Basically, that's how they tied it in a plastic bag, then shipped it the way I'm shipping it now, and sell it this way. How cool that is. And also, I think it's a great way to serve this at a party. And the second part is the one that normally served at home, which basically they will put it in a bowl, then you would have to use a spoon to eat it with. Personally, I don't like using a normal spoon. I like using a deep spoon because I get more out of it. What do you think, guys? Let me know. Okay guys, this brings the end to our today's video. If you've liked the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to leave a comment if you ever try the recipe to let me know how it turns out. And also share the video with your families and friends. And if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for tuning up. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section, and also share the video with your families and friends. Okay guys, until then, I will catch up with you in my next video. Bye all.